Hey guys, so this is the other guy coming to you tonight. So, guess what I have? I ordered a snorkel kit, and it's for my brother-in-law's 2001 Tacoma. He called me one day and said, "Hey, can you install a snorkel onto my Tacoma?" So I said, "Sure, why not?" So I said, "Can you order it for me?" So I said, "Sure, why not?" So then here it is. I ordered this from eBay. It's listed at $131 with shipping. Comes to $151 and so many cents. So guess how it's wrapped. Man, this is how it's wrapped. I guess the saying goes, you get what you pay for, right? So I was thinking that it might come in a box, but it's just like wrapped up with black plastic trash bag, and I hope nothing's broken. So I'll show you how it looks like. First impression, alright? But I gotta be careful that I don't cut into the stuff here. So I guess I'll cut this end. Don't know how it looks like. So this is a snorkel kit. It's for a 2001 Toyota Tacoma with a 3.4 liter V6. So this is how this bad boy comes wrapped in. I'm kind of weary as to how I should cut this. The sender was really fast. I was amazed how fast this thing got to me. What worries me is because it's not wrapped, it's not inside a box. So I don't know how the deliverer delivered this, but I hope they didn't abuse it. So comes in a container like this. Okay. So I am going to open it like this. Okay, so this is the bad boy. I hope it has instruction. But even though if it doesn't come with instruction, we can figure out. That's what we do best, right? So there's this is the snorkel. This is where it plugs into the fender. So I'll have to cut a hole onto this fender and install it like that. These are installation holes that I'll be using. And then this here either goes like this or like this. However it goes. Okay. This goes like that. And then this here goes here. Like that. Okay. And something like that. Hopefully it fits. So let's look at the directions here. Okay, so comes with clamps. Okay, comes with the little 4x4 snorkel. Okay, it'll go here like that. Don't ask me how I know, it just makes sense. Okay, so then this bracket right here will mount onto the A pillar like that, I'm thinking. Or either that or like this. However, which one goes first. Okay, so I'm thinking this is the template, which will make my job easier. We'll put this against the fender. Here it is. This is the template for the fender so that we can drill a hole accurately onto the fender. Okay, so yeah, that's that. So this will be part 1 of the Tacoma Snorkel build. It's going to be for my brother-in-law's snorkel, Tacoma. And come along with me if you're interested in how we install this bad boy onto the Tacoma. So that's that.